Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to make slow motion video in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up, then here you will see many app icon. Click on the set camera icon first, and then here you will see this type of icon. If you want to know how to make slow motion video, then you have to click on the more option first, then click on the slow mo. After that you have to make a video in the slow mo like that, and when you save your video and then play, here you will see your video is played in very slow speed, so it means that in the slow mo your video speed is automatically changed into slow motion like that. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you want to know about any function of mobile phone or pc, so please comment us.